In this video, I'll be showing you how to make 10,000 naira promoting apps, links, website and more to real people. Hey, my name is Samuel Sani. Welcome to Samuel Finance, where I make videos on how to make money from the online space. If you have ever wondered how to promote your referral links, or you have never made a dime online and you're looking for ways on how to, then this video is for you. If you are finding value in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It will make a huge difference. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'm also going to show you the exact app to promote and start making money from it for free right away. So let me go to my browser and open the platform. Nairaworkers is a site where you can promote your referral link, a crowdsourcing platform for individuals and businesses. Nairaworkers is a freelancing, outsourcing and crowdsourcing platform. We connect clients and freelancers from all over Nigeria. So you can see this platform is where you can use and promote your referral link, and this platform too is also a tax platform. Here you get paid to do a particular tax, either you like a Facebook post and so on and so forth. So let's go ahead to the tax and see how many people are using this platform to promote their own referral link. There guys, as you can see, look at how many workers are available to perform their tasks which they provided. You see your referral link will really be promoted here very fast because there are a lot of traffic here. Look at this one is looking for 120 people and he already has 37. So guys, this platform is good for you to use and promote your referral link. No matter what link you have here, you want people to sign up in a particular app so you earn a referral bonus. This website here is for you. Go ahead and use the link in the description and sign up and start using this platform to promote your referral link. There are two ways on which you can use the platform to promote your referral link, either paid or free. I'll start with the paid. The paid is when you deposit money from your bank account into the app, so you use it and pay the people that will complete the job for you. This is how to deposit. You go to your wallet, click on deposit funds. You make the transfer, then you now send them a message via the contact form. The contact form is below. After a successful transfer with your name, username, email and amount deposited, then it won't be up to 30 minutes. You'll see the money in Nairaworkers account, the exact amount you sent. You'll see it here in your account, and they don't charge any deposit charges. The free one is when you use this platform to perform jobs. That's you now be a worker. So these jobs which you see here, you go ahead and do them. So when you have earned all this money, let's go to iPaying. This platform pays very well in case you want to use them for work and not for employing people to sign up to your referral link. You can say, if you do this tax, you earn 400 naira. If you do this one, you earn 310 naira. If you do this one, you earn 230 naira. So with this amount which you earn from this platform, you can use it and promote your referral link if you don't have the capital yet to deposit and use it to promote your referral link. So you can see guys, it is totally free. You can use this website for free. I promise to give a bonus at the end, so I'm going to show you the exact app which you can promote and start making money from it right away. So the name of the app is called PalmPay. If you haven't signed up on PalmPay, I'll drop my referral link in the description which you use and sign up. So what you're gonna do is you create your PalmPay account, then you now go to refer. Let me open my PalmPay. Now click on refer and you click on share to invite, then you click on copy, then you go to the website to promote your referral link. Now you click on post job, Now, since it's sign up, so what we're going to click is simple sign up. Then we put the amount of workers we need. The minimum workers that is allowed per job is 25, and the amount you can pay each worker, the minimum amount for simple sign up is 28.8 naira, but you can increase it so the speed of your tax being performed will be fast. So let's calculate the total cost if we are paying each one that will be participating in this job. So the amount that will be paying each one that will be participating in this job is 28.8. So the total amount will be 870 naira. Right now I don't have funds in my account because I have used the money that I deposited to promote my referral link. So when you have successfully deposited the funds into your Nairaworkers account, like as I showed you, the money will appear here. But in case it doesn't appear, you can go to your go to your wallet section and transfer it. See, you can transfer part of your earnings to your work funds, transfer referral bonus. Maybe the funds might not appear in your work funds, so you can go ahead and transfer it. By clicking here. So guys, that is how to promote your referral link. With this website, it will be easy for you to promote any referral link you have. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like and comment if you have any question, and watch my next video. There I explain more on how you can use this website as a tax performing site and make up to 9,000 every month. Make sure you watch that video. Goodbye guys.